Palmer Elementary art teacher, Courtney Belingett, is utilizing her students' unique artwork to illustrate how young people can transform their community in a positive way. Belingett is working with each class on a school-wide eye care project by designing and assembling quilts to be donated to the homeless. In all Newport News elementary schools, eye care is a youth development initiative interwoven with the daily curriculum to raise awareness about service learning and volunteerism, while building leadership, citizenship, and teamwork skills. By making colorful quilts for the homeless as their eye care project, Palmer students are learning a valuable lesson about using their time, skills, and putting forth their best effort for others. Each quilt starts with students designing their own unique stamp, which is repeatedly pressed to complete one square of each grade's quilt. Using gel glue to mask the paint, each grade focused on a specific artistic theme that tied into what they're learning in class. Some grades focused on math themes, such as fractions and rotational transformations. Kindergarten students made designs to reinforce their grasp of the alphabet and numbers. Since 5th grade is learning about the parts of a flower, they went with a floral design. While studying Australia, 2nd graders used Aboriginal dot art. And 1st grade students simply wanted to spread some love with different heart designs. Students even learned how to sew by helping to assemble their squares into a completed quilt. Palmer students are working hard to complete 7 quilts for the local Port Homeless Shelter program. And the students can't wait to hear how their creative gifts of love are received and appreciated. Newsom Park Elementary is giving students the opportunity to build bright futures. During the Math, Science, and Technology Magnet School's STEM Day, student engineers enjoyed building in teams, with their hands, and on computers. STEM lead teacher Jennifer Barker worked with staff and students to gather the necessary materials for each activity. These design challenges were also aligned with grade-level standards, allowing this STEM approach to enhance classroom instruction and reinforce educational concepts. 1st graders used code.org to learn about block-based programming. This introduction was important since 1st graders now have the opportunity to code weekly during their intervention and extension block. 2nd graders made their study of First Americans come alive by building the unique shelters of different tribes. 3rd through 5th grades worked in teams to design, construct, and test their own roller coaster. And student members of Newsom Park's robotics team were able to continue honing their skills by using Ozobots to explore the rock cycle. Each STEM activity presented its own set of challenges for students to overcome through problem solving, critical thinking, and creative solutions, providing Newsom Park students with the necessary skills for academic and life success in the 21st century. Budding engineers from all 6 Newport News high schools gained first-hand experience with cutting-edge technology and mind-blowing science at this year's annual Engineering Career Days. The event took place at NASA Langley Research Center in partnership with Newport News Shipbuilding, Jefferson Lab, and the Peninsula Engineering Council. High school students from across Hampton Roads were invited to spend a day talking with local engineers and scientists, using state-of-the-art tools and gaining a wealth of knowledge about STEM careers. Professionals from Jefferson Lab, Newport News Shipbuilding, and NASA gave students an in-depth glimpse into their daily tasks and groundbreaking projects. During this interaction, students were encouraged to ask questions and received amazing visual explanations to stoke their career ambitions. With inspiration sky high, the students put their knowledge to work by participating in an engineering design challenge. Student teams seated with Jefferson Lab built a functioning wind-powered machine to lift objects off the floor. Newport News Shipbuilding let students work together to build floating vessels out of duct tape. And students with NASA designed and built a lunar module capable of making a controlled landing. For students, participation in Engineering Career Days will help transform their hopes and dreams into future careers. Palmer Elementary gave families the opportunity to get fit, eat healthy, and enjoy exercising together. Organized by PE teacher Cullen Boykin and Family and Community Engagement Specialist Maria Henriquez, the Family Fun and Fitness Night had a variety of activities to keep the whole family moving. 234 families attended the evening event, which offered a number of fun fitness stations for families to experience together. Palmer's staff volunteered their time at each activity, offering helpful tips for maximum excitement. Sports, yoga, dance, and climbing were just some of the activities that kept Palmer students and parents on the move. And when families needed a break, cafeteria manager Rochelle Sims provided healthy fruits and vegetables to snack on, while school nurse Jamie Davis offered blood pressure screenings and weight checks for anyone interested. The entire evening was completely free for Palmer families, with funding from the school's PTA and extended learning program. By allowing families to explore a range of physical fitness activities and healthy eating choices, Palmer's families are equipped to make fitness fun every day.